Okay guys, you're welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to collect your proof of Humanhood on your Nodepay, and that is if you have successfully connect your wallet on your Nodepay, you'll be able to claim the proof of Humanhood from the badge on the Nodepay. So let's do that. So what you need to do is I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So what you need to do is, if you look at this my system, you can see this one is tick, this one is tick, this one is tick. So if your own has not been ticked, that means you have not verified this, you have not verified this, you have not verified this. You can go to our video to go and check how to verify your email on Nodepay and how to connect your wallet on Nodepay and how to confirm your wallet on Nodepay. Everything is there on the video. So guys, subscribe. Now guys, I'm going to show you after you've collected all this, there's a badge that you can collect, a proof of womanhood. So what you need to do is you come here, and you're going to see Meta and Boost. So we're going to click on our Meta and Boost. So once you click on your Meta and Boost, this is our Meta. This is our Meta. You can see. So you're going to scroll down, and you're going to see this is one bandwidth provider, and this is it, proof of Humanhood. You can see. So click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see here now. So they say how to unlock this. To hand this Meta, you must prove that you are human. So I'm going to click on verify. So say guys, so once I click on verify, it's going to take me here. So it's still loading. Let's wait for it. So now this is it. We have created, you can see now for us to be able to collect that Meta, you have to first connect your Discord. I have connected my Discord. You can see I have claimed it. The next thing is connect your X, which is your Twitter. You can see I've claimed it. Now it's connected. Now the next thing is you have to verify our email. So I've already verified it. So I'm going to click on claim. So now you can see, congratulations, you have 100 node points. Click on done. Now you have to follow this on Twitter. So I'm going to click on open Twitter. So join. No, you have to do all this for you to be able to collect it. You join Discord. You join all this. Once you are able to join all this, guys, you'll be able to. You can see all this one. You're going to be able to collect that badge. So just follow all this. I'm going to do up a video on all this. So follow this, and you'll be able to get the badge, the Humanhood badge, very easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe, and wait for the next video. I'm going to show you how to connect everything one by one. Let's go guys, see you in our next video.